Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Glam Donna. I'm here to do I just got this late afternoon tomorrow, thinking ahead, late afternoon yesterday. So I'm hoping, I didn't pick out some of the products, the company picked some products out for me based on what I showed. I think you do like a, what do you want to call it? Where it tells you your likes, what you're trying to achieve, what are your main concerns with skincare, and it's by Seoul Beauty Club, and I've never been disappointed by this. They have the best products, and they're so helpful. If I don't know what to get, you know, they're always there to say, look, you have this issue, so let's try this product. Okay, this one also comes with a book. So K-Beauty Skincare 101. Your skin barrier comes first. Let me find the skin barrier. Oh, sorry, I'm not talking. So I don't know. I'm not sure what's in the book, and I'm not finding the skin barrier. Oh, I found it. So this is from O Ingredients Skin Barrier Calming Softener. See if you can see that. Think of your skin barrier like an apple peel. Calming and balancing. It says, moisture escapes easily, making fine lines more noticeable. Skin becomes more reactive, leading to redness and breakouts. Dehydrating skin can feel less firm, giving the impression of reduced elasticity, and uneven skin conditions can make dark circles look deeper. I do have some dark spots. Can't find anything that takes them away. Doesn't matter the amount of money, you know, affordable or not affordable, none of them work. So in K-Beauty we ask, can your skin tolerate this? Before asking, what should we fix? Understanding the skin barrier and how it supports. So this calming skin barrier, rebuild and replenish the barrier structure itself. The ingredients are similar to lipids naturally found in a healthy skin. So it has ceramides, which help restore and strengthen the lipid layers between skin cells, filling in the weak spots, if you will. Cholesterol supports flexibility and balance within the barrier structure, keeping things limber. It's not just for your body, it's for your face. And then fatty acids help smooth and seal the barrier, reducing moisture loss, which keeps out the bad and keeps in the good. So I don't have a price. And it's interesting because with this product or this box, you pay a fee and you get up to 5 to 7 products. So I think it's really good. Do I have this? Let me see. toner. Is that what this is? Now we have Index Calming Toner, a refreshing water-type toner that helps calm and balance skin exposed to external stressors. And this is, it says, skin prep and first layer of hydration. I always use, sorry I keep touching my microphone, I always use a toner. And I have several different ones that I like for depending on what my skin is. So this one's a calming toner. So I would use this, I would think, when I have some breakouts or some rough skin patches, is when I would use something like a calming toner. Sometimes I just want the hydration that, did I show you this already? That the toner provides. It says, right after cleansing, your skin is clean but also loses moisture easily. Toner helps bring skin back to a comfortable, hydrated state and prepares it to better absorb the next steps. Okay. There's an eye cream in here. I don't have the rest of, I don't know. I get different stuff in my boxes and I don't know how to say this. I'm going to try. I'm sure I'm going to butcher it. Oh, it's a fancy bottle. It's called the Dalgale mask. And I think the way you use it, it's newborn, not NEWNU. Newborn Bakuchiol Complex, the diagonal. I'm sorry, I can't. When they have more consonants than they do vowels, I have a hard time with it. A peel-off mask formulated with a base of type 1 collagen water for hydration support. The mask initially provides a soothing sensation to dry or sensitive skin and peels off to reveal visibly smooth, radiant, and plump appearance like the surface of a freshly peeled egg. I've never heard makeup referred to as egg, but okay. And again, these are all, K-Beauty skincare. This one is from Super Cool Menthology Lotion Cooling Solution. It's not in my language. Cooling care, moisturizing care, whitening, crinkle care. And I think some of this is what they picked out for me because I really didn't know. Yeah, it's by Super Cool, and it's Menthology Lotion. Super Cool Menthology Lotion. It doesn't say like what you would use it for. I got nothing. It's in. I just want to see what it smells like. So here's what it looks like on my hand. Very smoothing. Boy, when they say calming, my hand feels really good. You can see all my veins. Oh, I wish it didn't do that. But it feels really, oh, and it does smell like menthol. Oh, nice. I like this. This is a 10 out of 10. Next, we have PO DL. BAM and Collagen Unibelly Bubble Ampule. And like I said, I just got this yesterday, so it's not all open. Thank God there was a desk. So I'll show you the package. My gosh, you can never read what's on the bottom. So it says Gongju Bam, which is chestnut shell extract, and then collagen extract, elasticity boosting ingredient. Let's find some English. Oh, I don't have any. It says, okay. Infused with Bam chestnut shell extract and collagen, I don't know what is this. Looks like it says bubble ampule gently absorbs into the skin to delivering elasticity and glow. So they show a face on it, so I'm guessing you would use it on your face. I'm hoping these all show up in the right order. So that's 5 products. And we still have one more. Finally, we have, it's just the same as this, 2 times the Fresh Balm Balm to Foam facial cleanser. I love cleansing balms. I think they're so good and they get rid of the makeup. I mean, you have to double wash your face. Some people don't, but I do. It's got like stickers everywhere. But it's the 2 times Fresh Bam Balm to Foam facial cleanser. There, we got it. So here's what it looks like. Comes with a spatula. Which I don't use. It's got a different smell, but that's what it looks like. Wow, that's nice. See, you gotta love the balming cleansers. So awesome. So that is my box for this month, and I really do like this. It's really like soothing. I think this whole box was different steps to your morning routine or your evening routine, if you have a routine. I do, and I use stuff that's different from my morning routine, just because it's been through the day, and if I have makeup on, I gotta do a double cleanse. So that is the box for this month. I hope you found it informative. Please consider subscribing. I do other boxes. I do other box reviews and vlogs. So consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.